Hunter, you wear your jacket?
Mm-hmm.
All right, go over there. Look outside. Look up to the trees. Look at Daddy. I think you wear your jacket a little bit wrong. Are you wearing the jacket wrong? Zip it up. Zip up your jacket. Go over there so I can see you better. Look at Daddy. Oh, come here, baby. Come here, baby. Let me fix you. You have the jacket all upside down. Look, you got the hood down there. Take it off. Put it back on right. How do you do it? You know how to do it.
I forgot.
You forgot. Oh, I love you, baby. There you go. Better? Okay, do your bubbles. Love you.
I'm doing the bubble.
Hunter, are you going to walk around outside? Make sure stay on the grass so I can see you. I love you.
Love you.
Look at Daddy. Bye.